In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a resume on Indeed. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive into it. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Indeed website. If you haven't already, you'll need to log into your account. So, go ahead and enter your username and password to gain access to your dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile picture or your name. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, and then select Resume. Now that you're on the resume page, you'll see a list of resumes you've created or uploaded. If you happen to have only one resume, it will appear prominently on this page. Click on the resume you wish to edit. This action will direct you to the editing interface where all the magic happens. As you look at your resume in the editing mode, take a moment to review what information you currently have. You might want to update your contact information first, especially if you've changed your phone number or email address since you last applied for a job. To edit any section, simply click on the text you want to change. It's that easy. Now let's talk about the body of your resume, your work experience. Scroll down to the employment section and click on any job title to edit it. You can add new roles, update your responsibilities, or adjust the dates of employment. Remember, when describing your duties, try to use action verbs and focus on your achievements rather than just listing responsibilities. Show potential employers what you're capable of. Perhaps you've gained new skills? Don't forget to update the skills section as well. Just like before, click on the section to edit it. Add any skills that reflect your current expertise and remove those that may no longer be relevant. This will help your resume stay fresh and increase your chances of catching the eye of recruiters. If you've recently completed any certifications or additional education, make sure to include that as well. Click on the Education section, and you can either edit existing entries or add new ones. Providing this information demonstrates to potential employers that you are committed to professional development. After you've made all the necessary edits, it's always a good idea to review everything again. Take a moment to read through your resume to catch any typos or formatting issues. You want to present yourself in the best light possible, and a polished document speaks volumes about your attention to detail. Once you are satisfied with your updates, look for the Save button, usually located in the bottom right corner. Click on it to ensure all your changes are saved correctly. If you're feeling adventurous, you can also choose to download a copy of your resume. This gives you the flexibility to share it outside of Indeed if needed. Lastly, take a moment to think about your overall resume strategy. How does your updated resume align with the types of positions you're applying for? You might want to tweak your resume further based on specific job descriptions to ensure it highlights the most relevant information. And there you have it. You now know how to edit your resume on Indeed effectively. With a well-crafted resume, you'll be more confident in your job search. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking it for more helpful content.